Ever wondered what's lurking in the shadows of your financial life? I'm talking about your credit reports. Those mysterious documents that can make or break your chances of getting a loan, renting an apartment, or even landing a job. And the burning question on everyone's mind is, can I access these crucial reports through a platform like Credit Karma? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Now, before we jump into Credit Karma specifically, let's back up a bit and talk about why your credit reports are so incredibly important. Think of your credit report as your financial report card. It's a detailed history of your borrowing and repayment behavior. Lenders, landlords, and even potential employers use this information to assess your creditworthiness, essentially, how likely you are to repay borrowed money or fulfill a financial obligation. A good credit report, filled with on-time payments and responsible credit management, opens doors to lower interest rates on loans, better credit card offers, and smoother approval processes for major purchases. A poor credit report, on the other hand, can lead to higher interest rates, loan denials, and difficulties securing housing or employment. It's a powerful document, and understanding what's in it and how to access it is absolutely essential. So, where does Credit Karma fit into all of this? Credit Karma is a popular free credit monitoring service that provides users with access to their credit reports and scores from two of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax and TransUnion. Notice I said two, not three. That's a key point we'll come back to later. Credit Karma's primary function is to give you a snapshot of your credit health. They pull your credit information from Equifax and TransUnion and present it in a user-friendly format. You can see your credit scores, review the accounts listed on your reports, and track how your creditworthiness changes over time. They also offer personalized recommendations for credit cards and loans based on your credit profile. Sounds pretty good, right? And for the most part, it is. Having access to this information is incredibly valuable. However, it's crucial to understand the limitations of Credit Karma. Remember that third credit bureau I mentioned, Experian? Credit Karma does not provide access to your Experian credit report. This is a significant distinction. While Equifax and TransUnion often report similar information, there can be discrepancies. Accounts might be reported to one bureau and not another. Errors can occur. And it's vital to have a complete picture of your credit history from all three bureaus to ensure accuracy and identify any potential problems. Think of it like getting a medical checkup. You wouldn't want to rely on the results from just 2 out of 3 doctors, would you? You'd want the full picture to make informed decisions about your health. The same applies to your credit health. You need to see what all three bureaus are saying. Another thing to keep in mind is that the credit scores provided by Credit Karma are not the exact same scores that lenders use. They are educational scores, designed to give you a general idea of your creditworthiness. Lenders use their own proprietary scoring models, which may weigh different factors differently. So, while Credit Karma's scores are a useful benchmark, they shouldn't be taken as the definitive measure of your creditworthiness. Now, let's talk about how you actually access your credit reports through Credit Karma. The process is simple. You create a free account by providing some personal information, such as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. This information is used to verify your identity and pull your credit reports from Equifax and TransUnion. Once you're signed up, you can access your reports and scores anytime, anywhere, through their website or mobile app. Credit Karma also offers credit monitoring services, which alert you to any significant changes in your credit reports. This can be incredibly helpful for detecting potential identity theft or errors on your reports. If you see something suspicious, you can investigate it and take steps to correct any inaccuracies. So, can you access your credit reports through Credit Karma? The answer is yes, but with a crucial caveat. You can access 2 out of 3 of your credit reports from Equifax and TransUnion. You do not get access to your Experian report through Credit Karma. This means you'll need to obtain your Experian report separately, either through annualcreditreport.com, which is the federally mandated website for free credit reports, or directly from Experian. Now, you might be wondering, Why doesn't Credit Karma offer all three reports? The answer is complex and has to do with business relationships and data sharing agreements. Each credit bureau is a separate entity, and they have their own policies and procedures. While Credit Karma is a valuable tool for monitoring your credit health, it's not a substitute for reviewing all three of your credit reports regularly. I recommend checking your reports from all three bureaus at least once a year, and more frequently if you're planning a major financial transaction, like buying a house or applying for a loan. Remember, your credit reports are your financial foundation. Understanding what's in them and ensuring their accuracy is essential for achieving your financial goals. Don't rely solely on one source. Take control of your credit health by accessing all three of your reports and staying informed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.